Go to top and create a method of void type, named getImagesBySearch, and pass parameter of string type named query. Inside this method, use imagesList, and assign it the getImagesBySearch method from repository class. After this, use setState method to update the UI. Now, go to onSubmitted method of text field, inside it, call this getImagesBySearch method, and pass value to this method as parameter. Now, go to iconButton method of text field, inside it, call this method again, but pass textController.text to this method now. Let's test it out. As you can see, we're able to search images. Now go to Categories list. Here, use onTap property of gesture detector, call getImagesBySearch method again, but pass categories of current index to it like this. Let's check it out. Our category list is also working properly. Now go to Material button at the bottom. Inside onPressed method, increment page number. Use imagesList, and assign it the getImagesList method from the repository, and pass page number as parameter to it. As you can see, we just passed the page number to this method and not any search query or category, which means whenever we'll click this button, it will return the next page of default images list. So, if we're searching an image in a category, and click on Load More button, it will not load images from that category. And I leave this problem to you to solve as a quiz. After it, use setState method to update UI. With this, all methods are implemented successfully.